Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back to another video. If this is your first video, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. And if you're a returning viewer, returning subscriber, welcome back, welcome back. Most importantly guys, welcome to the most messiest unorganized room in our apartment. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like in just a sec. It's a mess. It's a mess, guys. So I'm currently gonna be taking on the challenge of cleaning up this room, taking you guys on the cleaning journey with me. Please forgive me if I don't do a wonderful job like that's what I've done, but she is currently with the kids doing something else. So I take on the challenge of cleaning up this room. We're gonna be having guests very soon, and this is one of the bedrooms in our apartment that we're gonna be transforming. As you guys can see, there's a lot of toys and clothes, and where we take just this is the utility room that you throw everything in. So I'm gonna take on the challenge of cleaning up this room, what it looks like in the beginning, and you know what it looks like at the end. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. It really helps out the video, really helps out the channel. Subscribe if you're new here, and drop a comment. All right, guys, let's get this cleaning journey started. All right, come along. All right, guys, I really don't know where to start. We have so much toys and clothes and stuff all over the place. But we're gonna tackle it. We're gonna give it a shot. Right? So this is one of the bedrooms. We don't really use it. So we're gonna renovate it kind of look away. Nice little view of outside. So what outside is looking like. We're gonna kind of renovate it and turn it into like a guest room kind of thing. So I'm gonna do my best. Hopefully don't have to go over it again. But I'm gonna give it a shot. Alright guys, come along. Guys, I grossly underestimated the amount of clothes that was in this couch just now. Man, I can't believe there's so much clothes and we're not even miss half of them because it's just been piled up in here. We just put the clothes in the washer, put it in the dryer. And sometimes when I'm too lazy to fold up the clothes at the same time, I just, just dump it in the nearest dump site you can find. In this case, this room was always been a dump site. So hopefully I have enough energy and strength to carry on. And, just do some more cleaning up. Well, the couch is now empty, clothes free. I have the toys right here, so if I go to next. All around here says toys. I'm gonna also go into the closet, guys. In the closet, they have some clothes in there, so too. But most of the diaper and boxes, just stuff like that. So I'm gonna go and see if I can get that clean out right now. This room was usually just for the girls. They usually use it for them playroom, and of course then just dump everything on the ground. And we don't always have the time to go and clean up after them. So this is what this is. Anyways, don't forget to smash a like on the video, drop a comment, let me know if you have one of this room in your house as well, guys. Drop a comment and let me know, guys, if your house or your apartment have a dump site as well, or if we're the only ones who have a dump site in our apartment. All right. Anyways, let's see if I can continue cleaning up this room, guys. Guys, I was almost done cleaning up this room until these two decided to pay the room a visit. Back at square one. So I've decided that, you know what? I'm not gonna do it a second time again. So probably I'll finish. Hey, what's up? What's up? So probably I'll finish cleaning it up another time. Well, busy is a good thing.
I'm tired.
Tired? What's the plan for the rest of the day?
Finish cleaning. That's the plan. I don't have any more plan. It's Saturday, cleaning day.
Yeah, forget Peter sure for your daughter.
You will get it.
Huh?
You will get it.
We are gonna get it.
You're not going on the road. So you just go and get it. Close the door.
Close the fridge, Malika. Yeah, and your sister is just back of you. Anywhere you go, she's just right back of you.
See the juice here, man. Just grab it up my eye.
Yeah, she just grab it. She's not upon a thank you thing. Say thank you. Say thank you, mommy. You're not saying thank you, mommy? That's okay. You'll soon say it. Malika? Malika? What's up? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Say hi. I'll stop fussing yourself. You'll soon get Peter sure. It's still early. It's still early. Okay? You want to give sister some of the juice? Come on, give sister some of the juice. Daddy? Who's your favorite parent? Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Come Malia, say hi. Yeah guys, say hi to my two vloggers, Malia and Malika Jade. They've decided to invade our video today. So we're down on the ground doing that. Oh, you giving them juice? You're giving them some of the juice? She's giving them some, Malika? Yeah, she is. You're giving them some of the juice. Of course. Good job. You're so kind. You're so kind. Yeah. So this is how we're gonna be. No, I don't want any of the juice. I don't want any of the juice. I'm fine. Give sister some of the juice though. You're too close to the camera. You're too close to the camera, Malia. You have to come back a little bit. Come back right here. Ah, yeah. That's better. That's better. That's better. Right? Say, like my video, drop a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Can you say that? Come, say, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and what am I say? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Say that. Say that. Anyways, that's enough, guys. That is getting. Yeah, so I wasn't able to finish cleaning that room, guys. As you guys saw, I started cleaning it. I actually got a good distance into the cleaning, but then those two kids came in and they put everything back at square one. So I decided that, you know what, I'm gonna clean it one of these days when they're at day home or school or just not at home, because it's very hard to clean their playroom when they are here. So I'm gonna do it when they're not here. Probably I'll have more success that way. So it's Saturday. It's Saturday morning here in Grand Prairie, Alberta. Quick update. Still a lot of smoke in the air, guys. It stopped a couple days last week. Our sinuses was beginning to clear up a bit, but there's so much smoke in the air for the past couple days. And 2 days, even though it's a little bit better, it's still pretty bad. So we're just gonna continue just being safe as best as possible. Stay inside. I know I'm outside right now, but I'll be going in pretty soon. Yeah. Plans for the day, just gonna go to the store, grab a few stuff, including my liquor speed, sure. Nothing else really on the agenda, but sometimes you have to just go with the flow and wing it, right? Wherever the breeze blow, there you shall go, kind of thing, right? So yeah, again, thank you guys so much for the love. Thank you guys so much for the support on our channel or our platform. We really appreciate it, guys. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. What you get here is Canadian content. We share our experience from coming from the beautiful island of Jamaica, migrating to Grand Prairie, Alberta. Big adjustment, guys. Big adjustment. Was a culture shock at first. From a fast-paced society to a very slow-paced society in terms of the way of life. Now the way of life is a lot more relaxed, a lot more chill kind of thing. It was definitely an adjustment, but it was a necessary adjustment because I definitely feel like it allowed us to focus a little bit more on ourselves and just to grow and to just achieve things that we wouldn't have normally achieved because of the amount of distractions. So sometimes it definitely makes more sense to go slow, right? Just slow down a little bit. You don't have to always take life fast. Sometimes you can just slow down and just go and just allow life to take you where it wants to take you. Now don't stop going towards your dreams, guys. Of course, it wouldn't be them if I didn't at least tell you guys that don't stop pushing. It doesn't matter the amount of obstacles that might be in front of you. Don't allow that to slow you down. Don't allow that to stop you. Disappointments will come. Heartbreaks will come. But at the end of the day, motivation gets you started. Discipline gets you finished. Alright? Thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way to the end. It was just a quick random video. I wanted to clean the entire room. Didn't get to happen. But hopefully next time you see the room, guys, it will be nice and not only clean but furnished and everything. Alright? So that's on our agenda of things to do. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.